Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can attract money with the law of attraction in 2022 and the end of 2021. Of course, I'm going to tell you the one thing that will work quicker than most of what you've seen, most of what you've read, and it comes from one of my favorite law of attraction authors. Have a guess and see if you can guess it. And I'm going to tell you, so it's a small snippet that has made the biggest impact for me when using the law of attraction. So I'm excited to show you it. And if you use this going into 2022 and you back it up with everything you do in terms of a method and visualizing, and all of them have real value, but if you use this as the foundation, you will notice that you manifest a lot quicker, and you do so with far less stress, wondering where it is, when is it going to arrive, why is it not working, and all of those worries. Before I tell you this, do check out the link below. I've linked through to this page. This is my site, attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and if you're interested in this stuff, do consider downloading my guide where I show you how to manifest anything. What I actually show you in the guide is how I was able to manifest a BMW M4, and I show you the steps that I did to do that, the practical steps and also the mental steps and law of attraction and law of vibration. Do check it out, it's totally free and you can get access straight away. The other thing before I tell you this, do subscribe, because I'm going to do a 7-day quick start for 2022 on the YouTube channel for free, and it will give you a complete step-by-step and help you with all of this stuff that you might not need help with. So stuff like setting goals with the law of attraction, what to manifest, what will work, what won't work, conflicting desires, lots of things, okay, that I'm going to guide you through, and after the 7 days you'll be able to manifest a lot more smoothly. And give it a go, see if it works. It's totally free anyway. Subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for that. Okay, so without further ado, I've picked money because it's after Christmas and you're probably thinking, right, I need to get some money back now, so I want to focus in on that, how to attract money. I'm going to tell you the number one thing that you can do that will help you to attract money, but bear in mind that you can apply this to anything you're looking to attract. And here we go. So did you guess it? The quote, this comes from an author and actually a spiritualist and a speaker, but he's got a lot of books. See if you guessed it. The quote that I'm going to give you is from Neville Goddard. Okay, and Neville Goddard, if you've read on Neville Goddard, I highly recommend it. If you haven't heard of Neville Goddard, do check out all of his books. There's so many. What I recommend that you do is go through to Amazon and just get a compilation. You'll be able to get all of his books. Wish Fulfilled. There's loads of them. I forget all the titles, to be honest, but I've read most of them and they're really good. What I want to tell you today is one quote, and I've loaded it up here. This is the key, okay? This has probably made the biggest difference to me with manifesting than anything else, and it's this: all you can possibly need or desire is already yours. Okay, so we'll speak about this in just a second. We'll break it down. All you can possibly need or desire is already yours. Call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wish fulfilled. Okay, so I know that sounds very simple, but when we actually break that down, all of this stuff is more complicated. You want to keep it simple, but it means far more. So here's the thing. This is the way I interpreted it, and that it's worked for me, and I hope it works for you. When it's saying all you can possibly need or desire is already yours, this to me, and you can get into, I highly recommend reading his books and he'll explain almost in a religious sense, a spiritual sense, why this works, but I'll leave you to discover that. This is how I interpreted it. When you have something that is already yours, you don't stress or strain, do you? So you're watching this video now and you're watching it on a phone or you're watching it on your computer, and you're not gritting your teeth wishing for a phone or a computer because you've got one in your hand or you've got one to hand. So this is very important when you're trying to manifest and when you're claiming your desires that are already yours. The more you stress and strain and use the law of attraction and really visualize and clamp your eyes down shut and really do all your mantras and so on, I'm not saying there's not value in there, but you have to watch, because you can make the mistake of re-emphasizing your reality without those things and just wanting more desire. So if you're trying to manifest something and it's not coming into your life, it may be because you're constantly putting a lot of effort into trying to claim it, and the universe responds by giving you more of the same, which is more longing for the product, or more longing for the money, or more longing for the car or the home or whatever it is. Okay, so the key thing is all you can possibly need or desire is already yours. So a little tip that you can use practically that's helped me is just select what you want. You don't have to stress or strain or make it really, just select what you want and it's already yours. Okay, the second part, call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wish fulfilled. Okay, so this is easier. I'm going to explain it the easy way. We can go really deep into it. But call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wish fulfilled. So just be the version of yourself that you would be if it were to be true that the money, the car, the house, the product, the thing, the relationship, whatever it is that you desire, be the person that you would be now, right now, if those things were true. So as you step into this, it's an exploration of yourself. As you step into this and you start to ask yourself, let's just stay focused on money here. As you start to ask yourself, yeah, what would I be like if I had the money that I desire? How would I act? How would I feel? Would I feel comfort? Would I feel reassurance? Would I feel love? Would I feel peace? And it's different for everyone everyone would feel slightly different. Would I feel reassurance? And how would I act? How would it change my life? So select amount of money in your head and let's just say $100,000. If someone paid $100,000 into your bank account now, how would you really feel? And how would you act? And how would you greet each day? And how would you be with other people? And step into that person now in terms of your behavior and your actions and your desires and your thoughts, and live in that reality now. Now here's the thing. I don't mean, just to clarify because it can get confusing, I don't mean, well, if I had 100,000 I would go and buy a car. So I don't mean go out and get overdrawn and buy a car with money that you haven't got. But I'm saying pick the car now as though you're going to buy it. Assume that you've got the money there and be the person, okay, what car would you have? And what colour seats would it have? And ring up a few numbers and get a quote and go for a test drive and step into that person, okay? And the more you spend time in there, the more you are becoming the person and the wish is fulfilled. And you will find that will attract the thing to you. So money, the money will start to come, and this is important, okay? Don't worry too much about how the money comes. Just spend your time in that place, in that wish fulfilled place. Another really good book that I think is actually got a lot of stuff from Neville Goddard is Wayne Dyer. You've probably heard of Wayne Dyer. Really great guy. I love his stuff. Helped me greatly with law of attraction, and he wrote a book called The Wish Fulfilled. I think it's called The Wish Fulfilled, and this talks about it as well. So relationships, be the person that you would be. Money, be the person with the money now in your feelings and in yourself, and that is what will guide the universe to your desires and your preferences, and the universe will answer that resonance that you're in. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I just wanted to give a short video with one of the most important things that I've learned with the law of attraction. Use that to get the money that you need. If you want more of a step-by-step visualizing and going through it, do check out the free guide. The links below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and also subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do a complete 7-day quick start, if you will, for 2022, so you can literally follow through and get the results that you want. I'm really excited to show you, so do subscribe. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and give us a little comment. Let me know any questions, let me know you're watching, and have a fantastic new year, and I'll speak to you very soon. Cheers, guys.